Marymay Meca, and the topic for today's video tutorial is all about simple interest. So what is simple interest?
Simple interest is the interest that is paid as a percent of amount borrowed or invested. So, here's the formula for interest. I is equals to P times R times T, where I is the interest earned and P is the principal amount invested or borrowed, R is the annual rate of interest, and T is the term or time frame in years. So, let us try this example. A student obtains a simple interest loan to pay 1 year of college tuition, which costs $18,000, and the annual interest rate on the loan is 6%. The student repays the loan over 3 years. What is the amount of simple interest paid? Here are the given numbers. The principal amount is $18,000, and the time 3, and the rate 6%. So, for the formula, I or interest rate is equals to principal amount times rate times time. So, $18,000 times 600 times 3. So, we get an amount of simple interest amounting $3,240. So, let us try another example. Find principal when time is equals to 3 years, the interest is equals to $600, the rate is equals to 4%. So, the given are time, which is 3 years, the interest, which is $600, and the rate is which is 4%. So, to get the interest is principal amount times the rate times the time. But, what we are going to solve is the principal amount. So, to get principal amount, we have interest rate divided by rate and time. So, $600 divided by 400 times 3 is equals to $600 over 1200. So, the principal amount is $5,000. So, we get the principal amounting is $5,000. Let's also try on how to find the time interval in the simple interest. Example: find the time when principal interest is equals to $1,500 and the interest is equals to $450 and the rate is 5%. So the given numbers here, the principal interest is equals $1,500 and the interest is $450 and the rate is 5%. So, to get the time, we have interest rate divided by principal amount multiplied by rate. So, $450 divided by $1,500 multiplied by 500 is equals to $450 divided by 75. So, the answer is 6 years. So, let's try on how to find the rate in simple interest. Example: find the rate when principal is equals $3,000 and the interest is $400 and the time is 3 years. So, the given numbers here are the principal amount, which is equivalent of $3,000, the interest is equals to $400, and the time is equal to 3 years. So, the formula to get the rate is equal to interest divided by the principal amount multiplied by time. So, $400 divided by $3,000 multiplied by 3 is equals to $400 divided by 900 is equals to 4.44%. So, the rate on example is 4.44%. Now, let us know if you really understand through the following questions. Number 1. Richard deposited $400 and got back an amount of $6,000 after 2 years. Find Richard's interest rate. Number 2. Find principal when time is equals 4 years and interest is equals $400 and the rate is equals 5% principal amount. Number 3. Find time when principal is equals $3,500 and the interest is equals $700 and the rate is equals 4% principal amount. Number 4. Diego deposited $10,000 for 4 years at a rate of 6% principal amount. Find the interest and amount Diego got. Number 5. Seth invested a certain amount of money and got back an amount of $8,400. If the bank paid an interest of $700, find the amount Seth invested. That is all the questions I leave you to test if you understand what I'm discussing. So once again, I'm Marymay Meca and thank you for watching. Hope you all have a great day ahead. Bye!